welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, hello. My name is Blanca Stella, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my July Yes or Yas bag. So, it did come in a regular bag this time, which I'm not mad about. I'm going to take out every product and show you guys what it is. Yeah, pretty excited about this month because we got really good products. Okay, so the first things first. Sorry, July's. Oh, sorry, I'm filming it in August. I was on vacation in July, and I didn't get around to filming it, so that's why I'm uploading it in August. But I promise I will upload this month at the end of the month. Okay. Reach for the Stars was July's theme, right there. July 2019. Our monthly savings for this month was 89% off retail. So that is pretty cool. So the first things first, I'm going to pull out the first thing, and it is a sheet mask. This is by Timeless Beauty Bar. This is their Up in the Cloud sheet mask, right there. And this sheet mask is infused with hyaluronic acid to refresh, plump, and hydrate skin. Sorry. For an extra cooling experience, place package in refrigerator 5 minutes prior to use. Nice. And yeah, it just tells you how to wear it. But that's pretty much what it tells you about. It instantly hydrates, rejuvenates, plumps, and nourishes your skin. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited to use this. I've heard really good things about this brand, and I've been seeing other people posting about this sheet mask, and they really like it, so I'm pretty excited to try it out myself. I do have a link. If you use the link to order your first box, you do get 10% off your first box. So if you guys want 10% off on your first box, you can go ahead and use my link. It's always on the description boxes of all my videos, so you guys can just search any video and just click on it. This liquid lipstick is by Sormy Cosmetics, and this is their long lasting matte effect both lips liquid lipstick. It's called Ribbon. The lipstick is called their Non-Stop Liquid Lipstick, and it is a matte liquid lipstick. Sorry, I read the stuff weird. And this is in the shade Robin. So this is a nude, kind of like a nude but brownish liquid lipstick. I'm actually liking the shade. Ooh, that is really pretty. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, and it smells so good. It smells like chocolate. Wow, that is so pretty. I can't wait to try this out. The next thing is a I was gonna say liquid lipstick again. Is a eyeliner. This is by Double Dare, and this is their 4 HD sleek eyeliner. And it doesn't say shade name. But this is what the packaging looks like. Is it white? We'll find out right now. No, it's black. Oh my god, can you guys see that? That is super pigmented. What the hell? That is the little and so it is a pen one. I love using pen eyeliners. They're just really easy for me to use. Oh shit, that shit won't come off. But yeah, I'm actually excited to try this out. It looks really pigmented from the swatch. And I appreciate when they send me full-size eyeliners because I wear eyeliner every day, and it is like a really money saver. I think in the last 6 months, I've only bought in like 2 eyeliners, like a felt pen one, because they keep sending me full-size ones, and I'm just like, girl, yes, please send them my way. So I really appreciate that. And yeah, pretty excited to try it out. The next thing is a long wear eye pencil. This is by Bodygraphy Professional Cosmetics, and this is in the shade. It's in the shade Deep Violet, which tells me it's probably gonna be purple. This is the packaging of the eyeliner, and then the shade name is right here, Deep Violet. You guys can see it. Oh, it is purple, and it looks metallic too. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Okay, so this is what the eyeliner looks like. You guys can see that it's purple. And then that is the tip right there. It is a little bit flat because I did swatch it. And that's the swatch right there. You guys can see the purple, but I don't know if you guys can see the metallic part of it. I don't think the camera is catching it. But it looks so pretty. I can't wait to try this out. I'm going to do probably a purple look next and put this in my waterline. Or I could just do any look and just put a pop of purple in the waterline. Because, you know, it's me. I don't care. I'll still wear it. Okay. And then the next thing is a palette. The thing that I like about Yes is that they always send you a palette every month, whether it be a face palette or an eyeshadow palette. And this month, I was so excited for this palette. We got the Annette 69 palette by Beauty Creations. This is the pan. To be honest with you guys, when I first saw I was gonna launch on her page, I thought it was gonna be this big, but it's like huge. I was like, what? Yeah, so I'm pretty excited to try this out. I actually wanted to get the whole collection, but when I saw that Yes was gonna give us this palette, I didn't buy the collection, but I might buy the rest of the stuff. I think it comes with a highlighter and lipsticks and stuff, and I'll probably get the whole set and give the palette away. I'm not sure yet, so don't quote me on that. But yeah, so this is what the palette looks like outside of the packaging. Super, super cute. I love the aliens because, you know, I love aliens like her. And, oh my god, you guys, look at the palette. It is so pretty. Can you guys see that? So these are glitters, and then there's mattes, and there's like 3 shimmers, which I'm pretty excited to try. I haven't swatched anything. I don't want to swatch it till I use it, just because it is really, really pretty. Oh yeah, you guys can see the mirror. It looks pretty cute. But I might swatch it either way. Just anyways, just for Snapchat and Instagram, like I always do with all my new palettes. But yeah, you guys, I can't wait to use this palette. It's so pretty. I'm looking at the shade names and I love the shade names. Guys, that is it. That is all I got for my July Yes bag. They've been giving out pretty good sneak peeks of what's going to be coming in the upcoming months, and girl, I'm so excited. They're going to be really good brands and really good products, so I'm excited about that. It is it's $14 a month plus shipping and handling, so it comes out to almost $17 a month for the 5 to 7 full-size products. And I do recommend it to you guys because for $17. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to use my link, just look in the description box. Thank you guys. I love you.